What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Ulefone Armor 15 and I'm super impressed by the innovation involved with this smartphone. This smartphone carries a set of earbuds inside it, and this rugged smartphone isn't as heavy as any other rugged smartphones. This one is actually one of the lightest rugged smartphones that I have ever used, and yeah, this one comes with a few interesting, surprising features that I have never thought about. If you love music and if you want to use your smartphone as an entertainment device, then this one is one of the best in its class. This one comes with a symmetric, front-facing, dual-speaker, stereo speaker setup, and yeah, definitely this is a rugged smartphone, so this one comes with IP68, IP69K and MIL 810G standard certification. So yeah, I'm super impressed, and I think finally I have got a smartphone, a rugged smartphone, which can be used as a primary device. Also, this one comes with a Sony IMX363 main sensor, so this one can also take some nice photos. Well, without wasting any more time, let's start from unboxing. But before everything, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Let's see how does it perform in real life. Well, as usual, let's start from unboxing. I have got this Armor 15 from Ulefone along with the armor case of this Armor 15. First, let's do the unboxing of the smartphone and then we will check the protective case. I really like this design, this packaging material and the design altogether. There is some type of rugged feelings, yet a very comfortable elite design. After opening the box, yeah, here is our Ulefone Armor 15. Ulefone has provided a very good quality 18-watt charger inside the box. This is a USB-A charger. Underneath the charger, there is a very nice SIM ejector tool. They have also provided a strap and a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Well, here is our Ulefone Armor 15. They have provided two display protectors. One is already applied on the smartphone and they have also provided a second one for in case, like if you need a second one, then yeah, there is another. There is an instruction booklet for phone charging, a warranty card and a user manual. Wow. They have also provided a multi-function instruction which is printed in color, and they have actually written everything in details. There are a lot of illustrations and wow, it's really very easy to understand, and oh my gosh, look at this. I have never seen such a nice multifunction instruction set. Okay, there is a second user manual. This one is also printed in color, and the paper material of this user manual is a very high quality one, a very premium one. So I'm super impressed by all these user manuals. Actually, one of these user manuals are for earbuds. I mean the TWS earbuds, which is included inside this Armor 15, and another is for the smartphone. Let's put everything aside. They have printed a few specifications: IP68, IP69K certified, built-in TWS earbuds, Helio G35 octa-core, 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM, and actually we can expand the storage. We can use up to a 256GB TF card. This one comes with a HD Plus display panel, 5.45-inch LCD panel, 12MP Sony IMX363 main sensor, 6600 mAh battery, NFC, Google Play, and powered by Android 12, stock Android. Well, this is our Ulefone Armor 15. As I have been using Ulefone Armor 13, Ulefone Armor 14 and then this Ulefone Armor 15, I can feel that they have upgraded the quality. Actually, the quality of Ulefone Armor 12, 13 and 14 all were very good, and this one is even better. I really like this design language. This one is totally built with premium materials. This is metal frame, metal side rail, metal rear panel. There are some carbon fiber materials here and there. Altogether, this is a very aggressive design, and yeah, I really like this design. There are other different colors available. Yeah, there are two other colors. One is black and another is blue. All of these colors actually looks very good. Especially the blue one looks pretty vibrant. And yeah, if you need something subtle, then you can go for this black one. And you know what? Ulefone also offers color matched wallpapers and themes, so it's really crazy cool. I have chosen this red one because this design language is a bit aggressive. So I think this red color actually portrays this design a bit more loud than the other colors. One more thing I must mention in this design, they have tried to make it a symmetric design, even at the rear panel or in front. Look at this. This one comes with a symmetric stereo speaker setup. It feels like they have designed everything with precision, and yeah, this Ulefone Armor 15 is manufactured with care, so definitely this is a very premium rugged smartphone. As I mentioned earlier, this one comes with a set of built-in TWS earbuds. The earbuds are actually over here. At the bottom there is nothing but a USB-C port. On top also there is nothing but a set of TWS earbuds. On the left panel there is a customizable key. This is a dual SIM tray and there is a dedicated TF card slot on this SIM tray. Volume rockers and power button is on the right side, and you will also find a dedicated camera button on the right side. Fingerprint sensor is also on the right side. It's actually integrated into the power button. As I have shown earlier, I have got this one along with the Armor case. Yeah, here comes this Armor case. As it is a rugged smartphone, why do we need the case? Let me show you why do we really need the case. It's very easy to put the case on. Even when the case is on, we have access to these earbuds. Actually, we need this case because this case comes with some other accessories. Look at this. There is a belt clip. If you want to hang this smartphone on your belt or somewhere like that, then you can use this belt clip. But what I actually use is this one, because most of the time whenever I go hiking, I take this smartphone with me and then I just clip this smartphone on my backpack and it's easy to use. And even I can hang this one in front of the backpack. As I always have a bag on my chest, yeah, I can clip this one and I'm not worried that I'm gonna lose this smartphone or something like that. This protective case actually adds a versatility and more convenience rather than protection. Yeah, this one also offers protection at the back, but considering the amount of convenience this one offers, it's more like a convenient case rather than a protective case. As I have mentioned earlier, this is a HD Plus panel, a 720p LCD panel. As usual, all of the standard and necessary features are there: night light, dark mode, screen color, screen temperature. Every option is available in the display settings. Let's play a 1080p video on this HD Plus panel. Let's check how does it perform. I will leave this to you. I have tried this side by side with many other rugged smartphones. I think I will give this display panel 9 out of 10 considering the price tag of this smartphone and the segment of this smartphone.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired.
After the display panel, let's check the performance of the stereo speaker setup. I think this stereo speaker setup is even better than many other budget flagship smartphones. Kudos to Ulefone for adding flagship class stereo speaker setup into a mid-range rugged smartphone. Let's play a music and let's listen to the sound one more time. Let's decide how good is this one. I would give this stereo speaker setup 9 out of 10.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible.
As this smartphone comes with Helio G35, a lot of people may ask, can we play games? Yeah, definitely we can play games. I have been playing Real Racing 3 on this smartphone without any issues. I have never seen there is even a hint of lagging. This one offers a very smooth in-game experience. But if you ask me that whether we can play Genshin Impact or not, I would say if you really want to play Genshin Impact, then go somewhere else. This isn't a gaming smartphone, but playing games on this smartphone will provide you a joyful experience. Okay, we have talked about outlook, appearance, build quality, display, speaker, gaming. Now it's time to check the camera setup of this smartphone. The main sensor at the rear panel is a Sony IMX363. It's a 12 megapixel sensor, and I have tried to take some photos with this smartphone along with some other budget and mid-range smartphones. I'm super satisfied because this one comes with stock Android 12, so the camera application is almost the stock Gcam. Camera performance of this smartphone is above and beyond my expectations.
I work, I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did I know it hurts, but something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't.
Now it's time to talk about the earbuds, the TWS earbuds included inside this Armor 15. The thing is, I have a lot of earbuds. Let me show you. Here I have 52 sets of earbuds and I have many other in this studio. And yeah, most of the time what I feel is like whenever I go outside, I forget to bring any of these TWS earbuds because I have a lot. And even if I would have only one, maybe sometimes I would forget, and maybe sometimes due to battery life, I cannot use whenever I need it. When I feel like, okay, it's time to use my earbuds, then I would find it that there is no battery. It's already gone dead. But with this Armor 15 in my pocket, I always have a set of earbuds which is always fully recharged. Because this smartphone comes with a 6600 mAh battery, that means the earbuds inside this Ulefone Armor 15 can offer whopping 505 hours of battery life. Can you imagine it? That's an insane number. Well, if you know me, then you know me. A set of earbuds means nothing to me if the earbuds are not performing well. If the earbuds doesn't offer comfort inside my ear groove, then having a set of earbuds means nothing. I am truly surprised. I'm not only surprised, I don't know how to say. Whatever this brand Ulefone has done, they have done it with perfection. Even the ear tips are very comfortable, very soft, and gets a very tight seal inside my ear groove and offers premium comfort. These are very light earbuds, and when inside my ear groove, I feel like, wow, there is nothing inside my ear. And even if I feel like that, there is a tight seal, so I'm already disconnected from my ambient sound. This one offers soothing experience, really. It's something so very different. These earbuds offers a very good quality bass and treble. Even the midtones are reproduced with perfection. So this is not like they have provided a set of earbuds because they have actually done the research. They have done it with perfection. You are not only going to get a rugged smartphone, you are gonna get a very good quality TWS earbuds which is always ready to be used, which is always fully charged, because whenever you're gonna recharge your smartphone, these TWS earbuds are getting recharged at the same time. Okay, we have almost talked about everything, but as this one is a rugged smartphone, as this one comes with IP68 rating, here in this channel Hans Tech Talk, we will do something that many other people wouldn't even dare to do. Here it is, we are gonna do the water test. Let me show you clearly. The earbuds are inside this smartphone. The smartphone is already powered on. Okay, straight out of the water, let's check some features, whether it's still working or not.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen.
Yeah, everything is working perfectly fine. Well, before we finish, let us talk about the security and the system, the OS. I have already shown that this one comes with side-mounted fingerprint sensor. To register a fingerprint is pretty easy, and yeah, it works perfectly well. Ulefone Armor 15 also comes with face unlock option, and face unlock option also works perfectly fine. It's pretty smooth. Here is the specifications of Ulefone Armor 15. This is a 8-core SoC. There is 6GB RAM on board and 128GB ROM, which can get expanded through a TF card. Ulefone Armor 15 runs on Android 12, and as far as I know, this one will get one major Android update and 3 years of security update. Well, that's all about this Ulefone Armor 15. I'm already in love with this smartphone, not only because this is a very nice rugged smartphone, but also because of its innovation and especially those earbuds. Those earbuds separately could have been sold at a price tag of $69.99 or even more. Yeah, if you're interested and if you want me to do a separate review video of those earbuds, earbuds of Ulefone, then let me know in the comment section below. I will do a separate review of the earbuds. For now, this Ulefone Armor 15 is my current daily drive, and if you are really interested in a rugged smartphone, then I think you should check this one, because in its class, in its segment, this one is the best, because as far as I know, this is the only one rugged smartphone which carries a set of earbuds in it. If you have liked this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, if you want to watch more videos like this, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned and support honest content.
I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something